Start.
Welcome to Mifratech. This is a project of pill dispensing machine. In this we have used Arduino Uno microcontroller, LCD display with I2C module, 4,4 keypad, RTC real-time clock, GSM module to send the message whether the person has taken the pill or not. This one is the microcontroller which we have used,
Arduino.
Arduino Uno. And we have used two servo motors to rotate the disc to dispense the pill. This one is buzzer to alarm whenever the person needs to take the pill or not. So at first we need to set the time by pressing star button on the keypad. First we need to set the hour in 24 format. Now it is 6 o'clock, so I'll be giving 18. Then I'll set the time minutes. So once we have set the time, we can set the alarm by pressing hash. So at 18:36 minutes, we can see and we can hear the alarm buzzing. So after hearing the alarm, the person will come and press the button D to go to the pill dispensing mode, and it lasts for the person pin. We can choose either A, B or C. So we'll imagine the person B is here and needs to take the pill. He'll press B and it'll ask for which pill. So we can select any pill between 1, 2, 3 or 4. I'll press 3. The pill will dispense by rotating the servo motors. So once again we can take any other pill. To exit from the pill dispensing mode, we need to press D again. So this is the working of this model. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and follow for more ideas.